now I am going to market mag-isa. Kasi yung driver ko nasa work. So, ang kagandahan nandito is may nakita akong saging. Banana. You said never let me go. Ayan, there's a banana tree dito sa Russia. Pero nung last ng winter is parang nalanta. Ganon, syempre nag-snow. But I don't know kasi summer ngayon. Gusto ko makakita ng bunga niyan. But now is August, so September is gonna be bare months. So it's gonna be cold. So we'll see what's gonna be. So now punta ako ng bus station. Kasi punta ako ng market. I'm gonna buy kitten's food, Venus food, may alabai dog, and of course our food too. Meat. Doon ako sa meat shop punta talaga. So come on, let's go. So dito sa Russia nag-prepare na ako ng 30 rubles 30 rubles for the payment of the bus. So 30 rubles siya. Dito is before or pagpasok mo pa lang doon ka na magbabayad. Pwede siyang cash, pwede siyang machine or swipe mo yung card mo. Depende sa bus. But mostly, pag ganun 30 rupees, maliit lang naman. So, bibigyan ako ng cash coins mostly kasi minsan marami akong coins. So, let's go and waiting for the bus. While waiting for the bus, I saw this tree. Actually, that is a Greek nuts. They said it's a Greek nuts. So, maraming Greek nuts dito. Kahit saan makita mo. Pag once na magkuhan siya yung adult na magiging parang okay na siya. So, kukunin na lang. So, there the bus. Bus is already coming. There it is. Gotta go. So, ayan, there's a car and you can pay for that. Let's go. So, actually, pwede mo is-ride mo, pamasahe mo, and then, ang kaganda dito kahit na medyo luma o luma na talaga yung bus. May mga camera. There's a camera. There's a machine.
A few moments later.
So, here I am now. I think to bus stop only from where I take a bus. So here I am now, going again walking. See this? Oh, you see, there are lion, tiger in front of the house. Manipiato. So I saw here something, a Z sign, which is yung conflict sa Ukraine. Ganon. So punta na ako doon sa market, lalakarin ko lang siya kasi malapit lang naman. So lakad-lakad, fresh air, although there are many cars, but still because of many trees. Ito yung Greek nuts na sabi ko. There. So lakad-lakad. Ito naman yung blackberries, Greek nuts, sleva. So others, there are cherries but wala nang bunga. And then that one, grapes, mga bahay-bahay. O diba? So here I am. Punta na ako doon. Tawid ako mamaya doon. So punta tayo sa kabila. Tawid ako ng pedestrian lane. So ayan. Tawid. But you hear good thing here. Kasi pag tumawid ka, yung mga cars, magsta-stop talaga sila. Yan, they're stopping because I'm crossing the pedestrian lane. Yes. And here is the polyclinica. Like a hospital here at the Bings Hospital. But before tayo bumili ng pagkain or mga meats. I'm gonna go first dito sa pet shop sa Gab and Maya Zoo Magazine. So here, dito tayo dito. Ayan. So many there for kittens. For dogs, 350. For mice. So, punta na tayo ngayon sa market. Roses. Yan na roses. Ang ganda, diba? So, dito, only for decoration and of course. So, here's the hospital. Pumunta kami dito nung na-process ako sa school ng anak ko. Kasi kailangan before mag-start or transfer ng school, kailangan talaga ng mga documents. So, there. So, punta na tayo dun sa market. Let's go to market. There. Here, they said it's one of the Stalin's building. So, napakaluma. So, ang luma-luma niya. So, there. Let's take a video. Yes. Stalin's building, sabi daw nila. But you know what? Inside, it's very huge. Yung roof is very tall. And then so nice. You see until now how many years passed, but still in good condition. Unlike ngayon sa mga bagong buildings ng Kitid, ito grabe talagang ganda pa rin sa loob. Of course, kailangan ng maintenance, diba? But still, they are still using. So, time pa to ng USSR. Oh, diba? Oh, let's see this. There's a something that was written here. So 1913 to 1920. There. So that was 1863. Time of Stalin. Stalin's building. So, diba? Napaka ganda ng building. Napaka strong, napaka matibay. So, there are still using. Actually, nakamatan ako dyan sa loob. Nung nag-process kami ng papers ng anak ko for school also. So, this is so here there's a sculpture. Sculpture? Anong tawag dito? Kabayo. Yan. Grabe siya. Made up of cadena. Chain. Made up of chain. Yeah. Made up of chain. And then here's the eagle, which is there. So, punta lang tayo sa kabila. Nakastop pa yung stoplight. So, there is. So, 40 rubles, dalawang paa. So, I'm gonna check again where to find. There it is. Здравствуйте. Сколько? 40. Давай. 40 rubles. So, kukunin ko siya for Vania. And then, that one. Gamitan ko lang ng card. So, I'm gonna use card.
Сюда приложите.
So?
Включение, да. Одобрено, да.
Хорошо.
Оплата прошла успешно. Красиво.
So, now, I'm gonna buy chicken for my daughter. 1 kilo is 355.
Кило 215.
Ayan, нужно. Да.
Хватит?
Хватит. Сколько? 350. They don't have a card or machine to swipe my card, so I don't know she's going somewhere because I don't have cash here, only card. So we'll see. I'm waiting for my chicken. It's 400 plus, more than 1 kilos for my daughter. So there's a beef, but I much prefer chicken. I don't know. Yes. So actually they have also fish. So actually they have also fish. Here's ikra fish, but I want fresh, frozen. So that is frozen fish. I don't like frozen, I want fresh. So dito sa Russia, every time summertime, ayan ang kwas, 17 rubles. Maliit man siya na bottle. So painom na actually ako. So ang ganda kasi siya for summer. So while waiting for my taxi going back home, hindi na ako ng kwas. So actually there are many choices. Kwas, lemon, and then mojito. It's like a calamansi sa Pinas, parang ganun siya. And then it's up to you anong choices ang gusto mo, but na-recommend ko na ako sa asawa ko kasi unang pinakilala sa akin is yung kwas, so parang napamaan ako sa kwas, so kwas tayo. So waiting for the taxi to call back. So, anong number ng taxi, hintayin ko pa. So from here to home, I need to pay 95 rubles for the taxi. So hintay honorable. So andito ko ngayon sa taxi. Grabe yung interview sa yun, siniseparate ko na yung pag magluto ako ng pagkain ni Zane, my alabai dog. So this one of these, 1 pot of pig pork, paa, and then yung mga balat-balat. So every one of these isang luto. So one of these isang luto. So isa-isa yan. Separate na siya one by one so that it will be easy for me to take if it's already frozen. So yan ko ako. So ngayon ito, lutuin ko to para sa dinner niya with some, or together with skin of the pork. So ayan, but now or after this I go outside and give him his dog food. So yan ang pagkain ng alabai na aso. Super, parang masubra pa sa tao at kung alam nyo lang. So I'm gonna finish this first, okay?